If you are itching to garden but spring is still a little far away, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how I'm planting onions indoors to get a big jump on spring. I'm also planning out my spring garden and making a list of seeds I'd like to buy. And before we're finished, I'll take you outside for a quick update on the garlic I planted last fall. If you enjoy easy gardening tips, cozy projects, and tips for growing food right at home, I'd love for you to subscribe. Let's dive in. This is one of those simple, satisfying garden projects that makes winter feel a whole lot shorter. Onions are one of those vegetables that really benefit from a head start. They grow slowly at first, and starting them indoors will mean bigger, better bulbs come harvest time. This is especially helpful if you live somewhere like me, where spring comes a little late in the year. You don't need anything fancy. Onion seeds, soil, shallow seed containers. I was gifted these for Christmas, but you can use almost anything. You'll also need a nice sunny window or grow lights. Onions don't mind being a little crowded early on, which makes them perfect for indoor planting. I filled my container with soil, pressing it down but not packing it in. Then scatter the onion seeds across the top, cover them with a very light layer of soil, and water them gently so you don't wash the seeds away. And that's it. They're ready to go. Onions like bright light, so a sunny window or a grow light is key. In a week or two, you'll start seeing thin green shoots that look like grass. I'm also trying a little experiment here. I read that you can grow ginger indoors, and so I'm trying to sprout some that I can then plant. I'll keep you posted on this one. And then these little plants will be featured in an upcoming video. Now let's step outside for a quick look at that garlic. Unfortunately, we've had an abnormally warm winter, so some of my garlic is already waking up, but that's okay. It's still deep in the soil. Last fall, I planted garlic cloves right here in these beds. Garlic needs a cold period to grow properly, so fall planting is perfect. And look at this. These green shoots mean the garlic is doing exactly what it should. At this point, garlic mostly takes care of itself. When it warms up, I'll remove the straw and weed the garden bed. Later in the season, I'll trim off the garlic scapes so that the bulbs can focus on growing nice and big. If you've never grown garlic before, I highly recommend it. It's one of the easiest and most rewarding things to grow. One thing that's new to me this year is this home apothecary book. I'd really like to learn more about natural remedies and tinctures, and I'd also like to incorporate that in my gardens. So I'm going to go through this book, pick out the things I'd like to learn to make, and then plan space for those in my herb garden. In the comments, let me know if you've ever tried this. I'd love to hear your tips for being successful at this. Thanks for spending a little time with me today, and I'll see you next time.